You're about to replace your spark plugs. There's a trap waiting at the counter that could cost you thousands. You think you're just grabbing a solid upgrade, but inside that innocent-looking box might be an electrode that erodes in under 20,000 miles, a gap that stretches until your engine misfires constantly, or a tip that snaps off and turns your cylinder into expensive scrap metal. Today I'm exposing the 5 spark plug brands you must avoid at all costs. I'll also reveal the 11 brands that regularly deliver 70,000 plus miles of reliable service, plus a quick 30-second inspection trick that instantly tells you if your current plugs are already dying. Let's start with the ones that will quietly destroy your engine. Number 5. Autolite. These copper plugs sit on the shelf for about $2.50 each, promising everyday reliability. What they don't advertise is how soft that copper electrode really is. Modern engines with higher compression, direct injection, and turbocharging run way hotter than anything from the 90s. That soft copper simply vaporizes. By 30,000 miles, the gap can widen dramatically, forcing your ignition coils to work overtime. Coils overheat, spark energy drops, misfires creep in, and unburned fuel washes into your catalytic converter. You might not notice until the check engine light hits or your cat fails. Autolite knows modern engines demand better materials, yet they keep pushing these because the low price and familiar name create false confidence. Over 100,000 miles, you'll end up buying 3 sets, plus paying for diagnostics and potential cat repairs. That bargain suddenly becomes the most expensive choice. Number 4. E3 spark plugs. These use their so-called diamond fire technology, a diamond-shaped ground electrode meant to channel the spark for better combustion. It looks high-tech, and you'll find plenty of owners claiming smoother running and better mileage. Here's the reality from the shop floor. For every happy driver, there are others dealing with serious problems. Mechanics have seen electrodes loosen, burn off, and even break apart, sending shrapnel into cylinders and scoring walls permanently. One Ford Expedition case ended with a totaled engine. They're also notorious for fitment headaches. Many don't come pre-gapped properly, and the unique design makes gapping a frustrating, time-consuming job with pliers and files. In certain engines like GM 5.7 Vortex or Ford 5.4s, owners report constant misfires and poor performance. The design might look impressive on paper, but long-term reliability across different engines is unproven. The risk just isn't worth it for a daily driver. Number 3. Splitfire. They promise more power, better economy, and cleaner burns from a simple split in the electrode. Sounds like a cheap performance upgrade, right? The theory is 2 spark paths ignite the mixture more completely. In practice, the spark takes the easiest route, so one side does all the work while the other is basically decoration. Those sharp split edges erode fast under real combustion heat and pressure. The gap opens quickly, leading to misfires, rough idle, and worse fuel economy. Owners with supercharged setups have actually lost mileage and gained detonation. Some Maeda drivers discovered the thicker insulator split their plug boots, causing arcing and damaging the ignition system. No major manufacturer uses this design for good reason. The real-world data doesn't back up the hype. If this is saving you from an expensive mistake, smash that like button and subscribe. There's way more coming. Number 2. Duralast. AutoZone's house brand sounds convenient, but it suffers from serious batch-to-batch inconsistency. Gaps can vary wildly outside acceptable tolerances, and you'll often see tool marks or stress fractures on the tips from the factory gapping process. Those fractures become weak points. Heat cycles cause them to crack, and the tip can break free inside the cylinder, turning into a high-speed projectile that hammers pistons and valves. Owners report poor fitment, misfires that never resolved, and even complete electrical gremlins when paired with their coils. You're not saving money, you're rolling the dice on whether your set will be a good one or the one that causes early engine grief. Number 1. The cheap Amazon AliExpress generics. We're talking Auto Something, Torch, those random keyboard smash names with barely legible branding. These aren't real brands, they're unregulated imports with zero quality oversight. Many are fake iridium with just a thin coating over cheap nickel that wears off in 10,000 miles. When they fail, it's often catastrophic. Electrodes separate, insulators crack, and debris drops straight into the cylinder. Unlike a quality plug that gives you a warning misfire and a check engine light, these can grenade silently and destroy rings, pistons, and cylinder walls. No meaningful warranty, no accountability, and every batch can be completely different. You become the test driver and the test is your engine. That's not a deal. That's Russian roulette with a 4-figure repair bill if you lose. Now let's flip to the good stuff, the plugs that actually deliver long, trouble-free service. Number 11. Genuine Excel. This under-the-radar aftermarket brand builds to strict OEM standards, especially strong for European vehicles. They're made in modern facilities with tight quality control and back their parts with a solid 24-month or 24,000-mile warranty. That level of confidence from a budget-friendly option is rare. You get the right heat range, proper gap, and precise fit without any marketing gimmicks. If you drive a European car and want reliable, drama-free performance at a fair price, genuine Excel is an excellent choice. Number 10. Hella. German engineering with serious OEM credentials. They supply BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Audi. Their Energy line is a perfect OE replacement for daily driving. Step up to Energy Pro or Iridium Pro with 0.4 Iridium tips and platinum pads, and you can easily see 100,000 km of service. Copper core centers for heat dissipation, high-quality insulators that resist vibration, and nickel-plated shells that fight corrosion. Hella keeps it simple and effective. If you want factory-level performance without overpaying, these deliver. Number 9. Motorcraft. Ford's official brand. These are the exact plugs engineered and tested by Ford for your specific engine. The Iridium versions with fine wire tips and platinum pads routinely last 100,000 miles. They're calibrated perfectly for your truck or car's compression, timing, and combustion characteristics. Aftermarket plugs might be cheaper upfront, but they often fight against your ECU. Motorcraft owners notice crisper response and smoother power right away. For any Ford, this is the smart move. Number 8. Mopar. The factory choice for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram. Mopar engineers specific plugs for each engine family, different part numbers for 5.7 Hemi, 6.4, 3.6 Pentastar, etc. They're built to handle the extreme voltages, temperatures, and loads these engines produce. With proper maintenance, they regularly reach 100,000 miles. Don't risk a cheap plug that could leave debris in your cylinders. Mopar gives you peace of mind, designed specifically for your vehicle. Number 7. Baru. European mechanics know this one well. Their Ultra X line features excellent copper core heat dissipation and a specially shaped insulator nose that helps the plug reach operating temperature quickly and resist fouling. Go for the Ultra X Platinum version for even better wear resistance and longer life. Baru supplies Audi, BMW, Mercedes, VW, Porsche, and more. German engineering that matches factory standards. Number 6. Bosch. For European cars, Bosch OE fine wire or double iridium are outstanding. The double iridium with 0.6 fine wire and laser-welded tips can deliver 4 times the life of standard copper. Nickel-plated shells mean no anti-seize needed, and the copper core fights pre-ignition and fouling. Bosch is an OEM supplier to BMW, Mercedes, VW, and Audi. Whether you want maximum longevity with double iridium or solid value with double platinum, these are factory-engineered solutions that perform. Number 5. AC Delco. GM's official brand for Chevy, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac. Their professional Iridium series with fine wire Iridium center and platinum ground pad routinely lasts 60,000 plus miles, far beyond basic nickel plugs. The Iridium resists wear and burns off carbon, while the suppressor seal protects your electronics. One-piece construction handles those brutal 4,000 degrees F combustion temps. GM owners who switched back to AC Delco after trying cheap alternatives often saw their engines last dramatically longer. Number 4. Champion Double Platinum. Forget their basic copper line. The Double Platinum version is a completely different premium product with platinum on both center and ground electrodes. This keeps the gap stable much longer. Owners regularly see 60,000 plus miles with smooth performance. Fine wire center and V-trimmed ground focus the spark beautifully. The heat-active alloy helps the plug warm up fast and stay consistent under all loads. For the money, these are one of the best mainstream upgrades available. Number 3. Denso. Toyota's factory supplier and a leader in Iridium technology. Their Iridium power features the world's smallest 0.4 center electrode tip. Smaller tip equals more concentrated spark, less coil stress, and better efficiency. The U-groove ground electrode creates a larger flame kernel for more complete combustion, real-world gains of 3–4% in power, torque, and economy plus lower emissions. Laser-welded tips stay put even under extreme heat. Denso TT versions add platinum on the ground for extra longevity, outstanding for Japanese vehicles and many others. Number 2. OEM manufacturer plugs. Your engine was designed around one specific spark plug. Factory engineers spent countless hours testing heat ranges, gaps, and materials for your exact engine. OEM plugs, often made by NGK or Denso to the carmaker's specs, have the precise electrode shape, correct reach, proper gap, and right alloys. Slightly wrong gap, heat range, or length hurts efficiency, causes misfires, or leads to pre-ignition. The few dollars you save on cheap plugs usually disappear at the pump or in future repairs. Open your owner's manual, match the exact part number, and buy that. Number 1. NGK. The global leader for a reason. NGK supplies most European and Japanese manufacturers. Their laser iridium series with iridium center and platinum ground electrode routinely delivers 80,000–100,000 miles. The Iridium iX line is a favorite for performance cars with its fine 0.6 mm tip, tapered ground, and excellent anti-fouling characteristics. Laser welding creates an unbreakable molecular bond. Whether you're daily driving or tracking the car, NGK gives you stable, reliable spark you can truly forget about for tens of thousands of miles. Here's the 30-second trick I promised. Pull one plug and compare it side by side with a brand new identical one. If the center electrode is rounded off and the gap exceeds about 0.051 inches (1.3 mm), it's worn and stressing your coils. Even if it looks okay visually, hold it by the threads and shake it near your ear. Any rattle means the internal insulator is cracked or the electrode is loose. Replace it immediately before it fails from the inside. Great plugs are only half the story. The other half is proper installation technique most DIYers miss. I walk you through the exact steps in the next video, link is right below. Drop a comment with your car model and what plugs you're running. I read every single one. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe so you never miss these money-saving, engine-saving breakdowns. Thanks for watching, now go protect that engine. I'll see you in the next one.